Hi students, now let us learn regarding the lens and the types of lenses from the chapter 4 refraction of light at the curved surfaces. So in the curved surfaces we have different types of lenses. So first let us know what is a lens. For making a lens we need a transparent material medium. So one of the best example of a lens is our eye lens. How is our eye lens? It is a transparent one. As it is a transparent one, because of that, the light will enter into our eye lens and then falls on the retina. Then we are able to get the vision. So here, first let us learn what is a lens. What is a lens? A lens is any transparent material medium. The material may be a plastic, glass, water, anything else. The condition is it must be a see-through, transparent material medium having two surfaces. It must have how many surfaces? Two surfaces, of which at least one surface is a curved surface. So a lens can have one surface as a curve or both of them curve. So only one surface curve, it is not the condition. So it must have at least one surface. The other surface may be a plane surface. So here, what is the lens? It is any transparent material medium having two surfaces, of which at least one surface is a curve. So if we take this kind, this will form a lens. This is surface 1, this one is a surface 2. So if I take another one, a kind of this type of lens, here we have a plane surface and here we have a curved surface. Again the condition is it is a curve at least. But if I take this way, just like a rectangle type, is it a lens? Say, it is not a lens because there is no curved surface here. The condition for forming a lens is that it must have at least one surface as a curve. The other may be a curve or may not be. So here let us now learn regarding the types of lenses. So we have various types of lenses that depends on the concave and a convex surface. So let us see what is a concave surface. Suppose I draw a surface this way which is bent inward. What is this surface called as? This is a concave surface. Bent inward, concave surface. Now if I have any surface which is coming out, which is bulged outward, surface bulge. When I use the word bulge, it itself indicates outwards. That surface is called as a convex surface. So here light is entering this surface, concave surface, and here light is entering this surface, convex surface. Based on these surfaces, we define the types of lenses. The first one what we take is a lens which is having both the surfaces as a convex surface. So both of them is double convex. So this is a biconvex We also have a geometric center. We denote by the point O, that is called a optic center. So here the first type of lens is a biconvex lens, having both the surfaces which are bulge outward. So we call it as a biconvex surface. Now the second one we take is a biconcave surface. We draw that lens as this way. This is optic center, biconvex lens, or also we can draw this way. What is this lens? This one is a biconvex lens. The third one is a lens which is having one of the surface as a plane surface and the other is a curve here, and this curve is nothing but a convex, either this or that. Both of them we call them as a plano or a plano convex lens, having a plane surface and a convex. But first we use plane term, then a convex, and then the fourth one is a lens of this kind. One surface is a plane, other is a concave, or what is this type of lens? This is a plano concave lens. Next one. Similarly, we can have two more types of lenses. The fifth one is a lens of this kind. First we start from left here. What is the surface? Concave, and to the right we have a convex. So this one is a concavo convex lens. And the sixth one, we can take a lens of this kind, where light rays entering through the convex and leaving out the concave. So this one is a convexo concave lens.